Alright, part two. I think we're ready to, as Jennings Motorsport says, give her a whirl, I guess. Kind of weird. I usually don't see crap like that. Yep. It turns over. We are good. And of course, the pulleys land on the tailgate of the truck, so. At least we know the battery's good. Because that's always good. Why am I saying good so much? Alright. Now we go to the other side. I don't know if I could throw a turbo on that or not. This is in the way. I don't want to cut the shroud. We don't need to throw a turbo on it anyway. So now, what we got to do? We got to turn this sucker around and work on the other side somehow. Or I could just lean over this hot truck and burn myself to death. I want to turn it around. This truck is like 1,000 degrees right now. This truck's got to be like 300 degrees hot. I want to try to do it without dropping it on the ground or taking it off the truck. Yes, I am working on this on my Chevy truck. Chevy truck tailgate. I'm proud of this Chevy. Other than the rust. It is a rust bucket. Big time. Wow. So far so good. So far so tiring. I'm going to put my phone over here in the shade. Y'all might not be able to see much, but it won't black my phone out. So, need the spark plug, carburetor, oil, gas. I need to fix something. I need to take that pulley off or something. Get the pulley off of something. But that'll be for later. I have another head that'll fit this. I think. I have a head just like that. Huh. Cool. 540cc, 19 horsepower. Good stuff. I need that horsepower. Get you from A to B. And if I remember right, that sucker, I could not get the manifold off because it was being a pain. So, yeah, it looks like I rounded them off. So I guess my estimation was right. I did have trouble with it. So, I want to do a mechanic's trick here that I've used several times today. Crescent wrench. Try 7/16. 7/16 is too small. Let's try half. Half is just about right. It's a little too small, actually. Sorry about that. What about a 9/16? 9/16. Crescent wrench, 9/16. I don't know if this will even work on this right here. What I'm trying to do. You know what? I got an impact. Why am I using that one hand tools when I got an impact? it should take it right off. Find my adapter. Definitely not make no. Oh, dang, this is a behemoth. It's a lot bigger than that 17 horse I had. Go see videos of it on CD Diesel 6.8. That's my old channel. And I got videos of that mower on there, a few. I got like 4 videos of mudding out here in this pond. I got some videos of random crap of putting an oil pressure gauge on it just to see how much oil pressure it's making. And it was like 60 psi. Not on camera, but it was like 40 psi on camera. But when you start it up and run for a little bit, and when it's first running, it's like 60, 65, 67 psi, somewhere through there. And then when it cools down, when it warms up, it goes down like 20 psi, 10 to 20. That is to do with oil viscosity. It's a 3/8. I hope this one will work because it's all busted up. Well, I just finished off that bit. That socket. Ow! It's like it burnt me. Really that hot? Ow. I guess it's tension and expansion and stuff. So I'm going to figure out some stuff, get this done, and I'll catch you in the next update of it. See you in the next video.